Introduction: Unlocking flexibility safely.
This is essential for improving flexibility, but doing it incorrectly can actually slow your progress or even cause injuries. Understanding the most common stretching mistakes helps you get the most benefits while staying safe. Let's explore which errors to watch out for and how to avoid them.
Mistake 1. Skipping warm-up.
One common mistake is stretching cold muscles. Stretching before a light warm-up, like brisk walking or easy cycling, increases the chance of muscle strains. Always prepare your body by warming up for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This increases blood flow and makes your muscles more pliable and ready for stretching.
Mistake 2. Bouncing while stretching.
Bouncing or performing ballistic stretching can cause small tears in your muscles and actually decrease flexibility over time. Instead, opt for slow, steady movements and hold each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. This approach is safer and more effective at lengthening muscles.
Mistake 3. Ignoring pain signals.
Stretching should create a gentle tension, not pain. Forcing yourself into uncomfortable positions can lead to strains or joint injuries. Listen to your body's limits and stop if you feel sharp or intense discomfort. Gradually increase your flexibility over time, rather than pushing too hard in a single session.
Mistake 4. Poor technique and alignment.
Incorrect form during stretches can put unnecessary stress on your joints and reduce effectiveness. Focus on proper technique, keep your back straight, avoid twisting awkwardly, and align your body as recommended for each stretch. Consider following guided routines or working with a coach if you're unsure.
Conclusion: stretch smart for better results.
Avoiding these common mistakes can greatly improve your flexibility results and keep you safe from injury. Remember to warm up properly, use gentle movements, respect your limits, and maintain good form. By stretching smart, you'll make steady progress towards greater mobility and overall fitness.